Hi, my name is Alana Guida and I am a consultant working with the EPA on the Lambert House project. My job is to review the current project and determine if it is environmentally safe to follow through with the plan. From my review of the project, I have learned that the Lambert houses are subsidized low-income apartments in the Bronx, New York. They were built between 1970 and 1973 and are in need of major improvements. The current Lambert houses have less floor area than the current zoning districts allow for and have less density than the surrounding neighborhood. Retail space next to the Lambert houses has minimal store frontage and insufficient storage for merchants. The goal of the project is to demolish the current buildings and create brand new buildings with 934 additional apartments, while also increasing the square footage per apartment. Additionally, more efficient water and electricity systems will be installed and security systems will improve. In a board meeting with one of my colleagues, Stephanie Lamster, she mentioned that living in older, low-quality apartments comes with multiple health risks, such as asthma, lead poisoning, respiratory infections, and even mental illness. For example, overcrowding without proper ventilation and leaks can cause the formation of mold, leading to respiratory problems. Chipping paint can also pose harmful health risks, such as lead poisoning, especially in children. The new Lambert houses will not use any lead-based paints, as they were banned in 1978. Also, overcrowding should not be an issue, as 934 additional units will be added. There are many positive impacts of the proposed project. With new, affordable housing with more space and efficient systems, we will see a reduction in psychosocial stress due to improved quality of life and living space for the Lambert residents. The residents' exposure to environmental hazards, such as lead poisoning from old and chipped paint, will be completely eliminated. The buildings will have fewer but more securable points of entrance with an emphasis on fire safety. Improved security and fire safety will reduce worry and stress for families living in a neighborhood known to have a high crime rate. A brand new 500-seat elementary school may encourage an improvement in the quality of students' education. Children will have access to the appropriate school supplies to support learning, which many low-income children usually do not have. Also, since the Lambert buildings will need to meet Enterprise Green Communities criteria, water and energy use will be significantly reduced, therefore having less of an impact on the environment. Some of the detrimental environmental impacts we will see as a result of the project is a reduction of 110 parking spaces, as well as a decrease in open space from 0.10 of an acre to 0.4 of an acre. However, Stephanie Lambert reported in our meeting that 12,600 square feet of open rooftop space with greenery will be added to the project. The EPA has recommended green roofs for this project as they will reduce stormwater runoff, enhance open space, offset the effects of increased CO2 production, and decrease temperatures in areas prone to heat islands. Although there will be an increase in noise and traffic around the site during the construction period, we must remember that it's only temporary and the benefits of this project greatly outweigh the negative impacts. As an expert in the field of environmental health, I feel strongly that we should move forward with this project as it benefits many underprivileged adults and children in the Bronx, New York. As stated earlier, residents will experience an improvement in their quality of life as their risk of physical and mental illness will significantly decline. Children will have an equal chance at a quality education similar to other communities. Although land will be lost in the process, The project makes up for it by installing green rooftops and focusing on water conservation and energy efficiency. Please reach out to me if you have any further questions. Thank you.